Do you remember that one time when you were browsing through an online catalog on a website, suddenly stumbled upon something that got your attention and bought it without a second thought? Well, that's an impulse purchase. Impulsive buying is something very common. It means getting something spontaneously, without planning the purchase beforehand at all. And in this video, we're going to talk about the advantages of impulse buying in the e-commerce business. Stay tuned. For e-commerce businesses, impulse buying is one of the main engines for sales. But why do people purchase something on impulse? Impulse purchases are usually based on people's emotions and feelings, experiences, or feelings of getting a good bargain. Now let's see how impulse purchases can affect your business. Did you know that a couple of years ago, half of the purchases made by people 18 to 24 years old in the United States were impulse purchases? And other age groups had pretty high percentages too. Furthermore, only 89% of the respondents in the US said that they made an impulse purchase. That's about 9 out of 10 people. What's interesting is that 23% of men and 16% of women admit to spending $100 or more on their impulse purchases. That's a pretty hefty sum people are willing to spend. During the pandemic, US citizens have spent even more money on impulse purchases. The average American spent about $182 monthly on impulse purchases. By carefully assembling your product range, you can provoke impulse purchases and gain some good profit. Let's see how you can arrange your catalog with Sylvia so your visitors can't resist buying your products. Tip number 1. Choose your products wisely. The best impulse products are simple products. These products don't need a lot of explaining, as it is understandable what they are for. It makes it even more perfect if the items are small and affordable. Tip number 2. Trigger the right psychological points. You can generate more impulse buys by focusing on the right psychological aspects. For example, you can create a sense of urgency by launching limited time offers, or make it seem like customers are getting a good deal by creating value in the form of discounts. Tip number 3. Carefully consider where to place the products. This part is all about making these products easy to find. Where can you place them? Around the most popular items, related products, mention them closer to the shopping cart and checkout. Keep in mind that it is important to make them noticeable and eye-catching. Tip number 4. Focus on products with a low initial price. You can set the price of the products with low initial prices almost 2 or 3 times more than they are actually worth. Before applying these tips to your online store, you have to remember that the most important thing to consider is your target audience. Then you'll be able to understand what kind of products will be suitable for impulse purchases by that audience. Sylvia's catalog includes only the best product offers that will be suitable for people of all ages, interests, and levels of income. Let's look at some of the best products you can get. Number 1. Cute Peekaboo Elephant Toy. One of our all-time bestsellers. Loved by people of all ages, this elephant toy is a perfect gift for children or maybe a loved one. It's cute and it's affordable. Number 2 is a squishy seal toy. This lovely fellow will make great company for anyone. He's so soft that he's perfect for lying on, sleeping, or even simply holding. Who wouldn't want to cuddle with this adorable little animal? He will make a perfect gift for anyone. Number 3 is car seat organizer. This car seat organizer will be a great addition for car owners. No longer will they have to be worried about losing their belongings in the car. They can simply put all the items here and drive safely without any distractions. Number 4 is a mini car trash bin. A universal thing all car owners have in common is that no one likes garbage scattered around in their vehicles. That's why this handy trash bin will come in especially useful. Number 5 is a Tug-of-Floor Dog Toy. And how about pet owners? Sylvia has lots of products that will suit any dog owner, such as this multifunctional toy. Would you like to use the wonders of impulse buying? If you have an existing e-commerce store, you can get access to Sylvia's catalog of thousands of best-selling products. Just install Sylvia onto your website. And if you don't have an existing store, with Sylvia Pro, you can order a turnkey store from our team that will be made for you according to your wishes and preferences. It will have a user-friendly design and will be totally ready to make sales. Your customers will love this smooth experience. Sounds interesting? Book a free consultation with us and we'll tell you everything you'd like to and need to know about Sylvia. The link is in the description. Impulsive buy can be a huge driver of e-commerce stores' profit, and it's smart to use its powers for your online store. With Sylvia, you can do it without any headache, literally. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions or feedback, Leave them in the comment section for me to answer. Hit that like button and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.